Alright, finally I reached this beautiful red cylindrical building. It's actually a viewing point where you climb up the white staircase to the top, and then just have two people on top. You can watch the view of Saigon, the sky view. The Saigon River is just right there, and then from there you can also get a good view of Landmark 81 and all the apartments right here. Greetings from Saigon, Vietnam. I'm now at one of the biggest park in Saigon. It's the Vinhomes Central Park, located just opposite the tallest building in the world, Landmark 81, right over there. And this park has many activities like taking selfies, photos, rollerblading, exercising, cycling, walking, running, and have a nice stroll after dinner or something. And there's some people bring the Tai Chi or the Qigong in front to exercise. This bridge is really beautiful. This park is not difficult to find. It's just very conveniently located opposite the Landmark 81, and then just cross the road. Lots of people exercising, just walking. I think this park has more fresh air than other parks. I've been to other public parks in Saigon. Firstly, the parks over there are not so beautiful as here, and secondly, the parks are not so clean. Here is like the park is like in a developed country like Singapore or Malaysia. Is like really good, and there are some bright lights well lit. Now there are vending machines. You can buy drinks, and they accept the credit cards and also cash. Now there are some beautiful houses right here just beside the park. There's also a Vinhomes Center at the Landmark 81, and from here I'm going to explore the other side where there's a playground and more stuff over there, and a good view of Saigon River. Let's go. Alright, finally I reached this beautiful red cylindrical building. It's actually a viewing point where you climb up the white staircase to the top, and then just have two people on top. You can watch the view of Saigon, the sky view. The Saigon River is just right there, and then from there you can also get a good view of Landmark 81 and all the apartments right here. I just discovered this there's a lift here, elevator. You can actually come that side from Vinhomes Center and then walk up the escalator, or there's an elevator on the other side, and then come here without spending too much energy, just like the girls in front. Now, if you're the first time coming here, you may get lost, or even if you're second time, you may also get lost because at night time things look different. Anyway, I found my direction already. I'm walking towards the koi pond where there are thousands of koi fish waiting for us to see, and there's also a famous Hercules statue. This is a famous koi pond of Landmark 81. Hello. I think somebody just fed it some bread. There's a koi fish eating the bread now, feeding on it, and the other one is, whoa. Seeing the koi fishes makes ourselves feel relaxed and peaceful with everything in nature, environment, and ourselves. There was a nice short exploration of the Vinhomes Central Park, and I just arrived at the Vinhomes Center. The Landmark 81. There's a Vinhomes Center. I'm going to buy some stuff and also explore the ice skating rink, which is located at the basement. And by the way, from here you can take the taxi or book your Grab back to a hotel or anywhere that you stay in Saigon, because it's like just outside shopping center, right?